Hey, what's up, everybody? I know I've been absent. With this pandemic, it's really hard to, uh, get things posted. But anyway, what we're going to do today is we're going to do a Japanese egg salad. It's called Tamago Sando. It's unique in that um, there's a little bit of sugar that goes in it. You have to use Kewpie mayonnaise. This is Japanese mayonnaise. As I've said in the past, I live within 20 minutes of Asian markets, so I'm fortunate enough to be able to get this. I'm sure if you Google Kewpie mayonnaise substitute, it'll give you a recipe on what to make. But anyway, I haven't even tasted that yet, so I don't know how much different it is from regular mayonnaise. But what you're going to need for this recipe is 5 hard-boiled eggs, and what we're going to do is we're going to separate the yolks from the whites, and we're going to chop the whites really fine. You're going to need some salt and some sugar. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to cut these in half. We're going to put our yolks in the bowl, and then we're going to chop the whites really fine. Just smash them up. Now, I've seen recipes where they actually force this through the sieve. I think that's more than we need to do. Alright, so now I'm just gonna add this in here. And then we're gonna smash up the yolks with it. Alright, now we're going to start adding our ingredients. Okay, so we're going to add Kewpie mayonnaise, and this is going to be 3 tablespoons. Okay, one teaspoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon of sugar. And half a teaspoon of salt. The recipe I'm following calls for 1 tablespoon of heavy cream. I don't have heavy cream, so I think I'm just going to do 1 tablespoon of half and half. Mix this up. It also calls for butter, but I'm gonna get this all mixed up before I put in the butter, because I'm gonna have to melt the butter. And two tablespoons of melted butter. And I believe that's it. Alright, so now I'm going to coat the bread. Now, traditionally they cut the crust off the bread. So let's do that. Okay. Maybe I should have cut the crust off before I put the sandwich together. And there you have your Tamago Sando. All right, so that's it. You know, there's a lot more work than your typical egg salad, but yeah, it's pretty good. All right, thanks for stopping by. Bye.
No.